Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am your host Tanisha, here with Tea Cooks with FLAVE. Today we're in the kitchen and we are going to be making a red snapper. I'm gonna lay it on a bed of okra. Very exciting. Stay tuned. Today we're making a red snapper and I'm gonna lay it on top of a bed of okra. So let's get started. Here I have, so before I start guys, let me just remind you, my fish is already clean when I purchased it. The guys already scaled it and cleaned it and got it for me. So the only thing I had to do was to use my lemon. I washed it and then I pat dried because of course we don't want the oil to splatter all over. All right, so it's clean inside out. We're gonna salt, and I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon. So you're just gonna go in and out, kind of rub it in there. Same 1/4 teaspoon, and I'm using the Maggi fish seasoning. And I'm gonna do it in, and then on the outer. And this is pretty much it for the fish. I'm gonna do the black pepper, add the black pepper. Same amount, a 1/4 teaspoon on both sides and then on the inside. The dry rub is all around on the fish, and I made like 2 slices on each side, if you can see here, and then I kind of stuff the seasoning in it because you wanted that dry rub to, you know, be all over your fish. Here I have 3 cloves of crushed garlic and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna put this in my oil, which is already preheated, and this is going to give it some flavor. Then we're gonna be frying the fish. I'm about to turn my fish. So I had it frying for 5 minutes on one side, and now we just flipped it. So let's give this side another 5 minutes. Just adding some butter. How pretty is this? Let me show you. Turn to the side so you can see. The extra juice from the okra saute that I just made, I have it over here. I'm gonna use that to just pour on top of my fish. This is gonna be so yummy. So lay it on top here. All right, so now we're just gonna add some garnish to my fish, to our fish. So I'll just add a splash of lemon and so I really hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a very quick and simple recipe. It literally cooks in 20 minutes, guys, once you have everything prepped. And I hope to catch you in my next video. Thank you once again so much for watching. We are gonna dig in and enjoy this wonderful fish.